Hello and welcome to Krishi Jagran Business. This is Krishi and today we are going to discuss what farmers can do to start their own business. In today's fast-paced world, many people dream of starting their own business. But do you know that even farmers can explore entrepreneurial opportunities? So, in today's video, we will be exploring a few business ideas so that farmers can start to diversify their income and make the most of their agricultural skills. Organic produce farming. With the growing demand for organic and locally sourced produce, starting an organic produce farm can be a lucrative business for farmers. By growing and selling organic fruits, vegetables and herbs, farmers can tap into the health-conscious market and potentially secure premium prices for their products. They can also consider offering subscription-based services like vegetable box deliveries or supplying to local restaurants and markets. Artisanal dairy products. If you have a dairy farm, consider adding value to your milk by producing artisanal dairy products such as cheese, yogurt or butter. These high-quality specialty items are in demand among food enthusiasts and health-conscious consumers. You can sell your products directly to consumers through farmers' markets and local grocery stores, or even establish partnerships with restaurants and cafes. Herb and specialty crop cultivation. Another business opportunity for farmers is growing herbs and specialty crops. These crops can include medicinal herbs, exotic spices, or unique plants that are in demand for their culinary or health benefits. By focusing on niche markets, farmers can differentiate themselves and potentially command higher prices for their products. Additionally, they can explore the option of selling dried herbs, herbal teas, or essential oils for further value addition. Agritourism and farm-to-table experiences. Farmers can leverage their land and expertise by offering agritourism experiences and farm-to-table events. This can involve opening up the farm for visitors to engage in activities like fruit picking, farm tours, or even hosting events such as farm-to-table dinners. By providing an authentic farm experience and connecting consumers with the source of their food, farmers can create additional revenue streams while educating and building relationships with their customers. As we have seen, farmers have a multitude of business opportunities to explore beyond traditional farming practices. By tapping into niche markets, adding value to their products, and embracing the growing interest in sustainable and locally sourced goods, farmers can create thriving businesses that not only support their livelihood, but also contribute to their local economy and community. That's all for today. Thank you.